Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder it's not available on your device. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder it's not available on your device, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list of app and for you apps, you will go to Tinder. Then you'll find here apps, app info. Then we click for stop and we click OK. After that, we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.